Hi guys, if you're looking for a super easy, stress-free bread, this one is for you, I promise. In a bowl, you're going to combine 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and to that, you're going to add 1.5 to 2 cups of warm tap water. Knead this with your hand until it's well combined. Once everything is combined, what you're going to do is fold the dough over like I'm doing. Just do that a couple of times. Then you're going to cover it and you're going to place it in a warm, draft-free place. You're going to let this dough sit anywhere from 2 to 12 hours. If you want to bake it right away, you wait for it to double, which is usually anywhere from 1.5 to 2 hours, then you bake it off. If you don't want to bake it right away, just let it sit. This is good for 12 hours. That, my friends, is the beauty of this recipe. This dough I let sit for 12 hours. Generously flour a work surface and then dump the dough onto it. And you're going to sprinkle more flour on top. Now gently stretch the dough a little bit and then you're going to fold it into thirds. So now you're going to turn the dough and you're going to roll it up. Now with your hands, you're going to do like a rolling motion. That's to smooth out the bottom of the dough. Now you're going to place this in a bowl or in a bread basket, anything that is similar or close to the same size as the dough. You're going to line it with a lint-free towel, sprinkle some flour onto the towel so the dough doesn't stick. And you're going to place your dough smooth side down, seam side up. Pinch the seams together and sprinkle more flour around the edges of the dough so it doesn't stick to the towel. Now you're going to let this sit in a warm place for 45 minutes. At this point, you're going to place a pot with the lid inside your oven and you're going to preheat it to 450 degrees. Using parchment paper, put it on top of the dough and you're going to place a dinner plate on top of the parchment paper and you're going to flip it over. Brush off any excess flour. Now it's time to score the bread. You could use a razor, a sharp knife, or even the tips of a pair of scissors. Very carefully, you're going to place the dough and the parchment paper in the pot. And you're going to cover it. You're going to bake that for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to remove the lid and you're going to continue baking it anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes, all depending on how dark you want your crust. Do you hear that? That's the crackling sound the bread makes when it comes out of the oven. That right there is a little piece of heaven. So guys, you see how easy that was. Absolutely no effort at all. If you try this, let me know in the comment box below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.